I think you are well by the grace of Almighty. And here I would like to show you how can you connect Google Analytics tool with your Webflow site. You know, Analytics is a very important tool for tracking audience, and you will get everything, every data in your Google Analytics with a free of cost. So in order to track your audience behavior, you need to have an account in Google account first. Then you can open account by with your Google account like Gmail. Okay, here I log in with my Gmail account. You can see here. Then you need to do open a property in Google Analytics tool. So let's start how to do it. First of all, start measuring. Here is a name. You can name your own. I name it SEO Ninja. Then there is a tick mark. Then you need to click. Here is a three section, one for web, one for apps, and one for apps and web, both two. Here I would like to go through only web. As you use Webflow, if you have apps, then you need to select apps and web. And if you don't have apps, only web only, so you can select only web here. Then next, then name it your domain name here. You come right here, then put here your domain. Then select your category first. It's very important to select a category. You have to select your category according to your business category. Here is my writing service, so education. I will cite job and education here. Then you need to reporting time zone and country. And here is by default in US. You can set any of your country. Then create. Then here's the agreement with Google Analytics terms and condition. You have to need to put tick mark here. Then here is also, and then accept it. Everything is fine. Then Google wants to send you some reports time to time, so you need to put tick mark here, in which you will get email notification from Google Analytics tools. Okay, then you are almost done. Here is your tracking ID. This is your universal analytic tracking ID. You need to put this in your Webflow site. Okay, there is a other option to verification or track your site. Here is a Google JavaScript, but in Webflow there is no need to copy JavaScript because there is an option to put analytics universal ID in Webflow. So you need to copy the ID, then go to Webflow. Then in your dashboard, under the dashboard there is an option to product setting. You need to click it. Then you will find that window. Then click integration. In integration section, you will find a Google Universal Analytics Tracking ID. Just paste it here and save it. You are almost done. The Google Maps section, Facebook Pixel, Google Optimize, and that's all. I think this video will help you to set your analytics tool in your Webflow. If it will help you, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel. This video is only for new beginner, the most newcomer in Webflow. So I think there are may fall problem to set analytics in Webflow. So I made this video for them. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. Thank you.